So this course is actually not limited to a particular state, right? And this is actually an international level standardized course. Okay, so this is a global market research that has been done, and that is what they will be learning from this. And you are right. You're right about the things that every area, every region is different, and the dealing with that people have to do, that is also depends on different areas, right? But in every area there is sales, there's communication, there's management, there's leadership roles. So that doesn't change from place to place. So we are teaching them those values, right? So if you compare it with fresh graduates who don't have any real world experience, any professional training, and people who have actually learned from our course about all these different things on a global level. This is not just in India. We are teaching them to go worldwide. We're teaching them to learn skills that will help them not just in a particular country or a state, but even on a global level. Then I can assure you, and I think this is a given, that they will definitely use these skills in your state, in Jammu, in Kashmir, in Bangalore, in Kerala, anywhere.
So you stated your courses of 54,000. So let's take a simple example. If we have around 50 employees and according to our attrition rate, which is around 15%, so around 7 to 8 employees who might just leave our company, and if we make them do your course from the initial stage of first year, so your courses is of 54,000, and suppose we even giving them over 50 employees are doing that course. What are the chances that that course investment would not turn into loss for us? Because the amount is not really small.
Any employee is actually to give a 12-month commitment to your company, right? And it's not just a 12-month commitment, it's also 12-month commitment with added skills, with professional training, right? And if they are to leave the company before the 12-month period, as I said, they will have to recompense you for the 54,000 that you have invested in them. Does that answer your question?
Yeah, I agree with you, but there is one more scenario. Like for only 8 to 7 employees, if we offer 54,000 course to every single 50 employees, it will turn into loss for us in somewhat way. Because for just 8 employees, it's creating a huge investment.
Okay, I get you. But as you have mentioned, you already normalize your budget for attrition loss, right? And that loss is actually 15 to 20 lakhs per year. If you invest in these employees, you're actually saving up in your budget. Yeah.
From you. So the first question is, your course will teach them the skills. I have done a brief overview about your course. So we will teach them about principles of management, HR fundamentals, general management, and what you said, sales and communication skills. So we already have top management representatives. We already have people who are very much experienced in industry, who know our business very well. So if we, instead of investing in your course, we can conduct seminars for not for 6 months, for 3 or 4 months, along with our training program. We can modulate this in our training program. So it will be a cost-effective measure for us rather than we give you guys. Why we will invest in your course?
But what you are saying will guarantee that they will be more professional, more upskilled, right? But this does not guarantee the attrition rate will be wrong. Okay, this will not guarantee their retention. Does not seminar guarantee that they will be there for the entire year. No, it doesn't. The attrition is going to remain the same as it was earlier. But if you choose our course, it's basically something like they will have to be with you for the entire year, right? So the productivity of your company is going to increase. Because if an employee leaves after just 2 to 3 months or 4 months or whatever it is, your company is going to face losses, right? First of all, time will be invested, then in training, your money will be invested. So if you choose our course, it's basically like for 6 months they will be doing our course, they will be more professional, the productivity of your company is going to increase, they will learn the required skills, and secondly that they will stay for the entire year, because I feel like they will not be ready to give you 54,000 just for leaving the company. Any normal person would think that it's better to stay for 6 more months than to give you 54,000.
And also, they're also getting something from this. They will have a certificate that is backed by the government, right? And it weighs heavily on their CVs. So they will stay with this. They won't even contemplate about it.
Yes, your course course name is online MBA program for 6 months. Like they will learn management. No? So let's say
It's not MBA. No, we are not offering a master's degree. We are not comparing it with the MBA that is done in normally in colleges. It's not MBA. It's basically a certification. It's a management course that they are learning, but it's not equivalent to MBA.
so okay, it is not equivalent MBA. So the management course. So the management course. In the management course, then our employees will do the management course, and let's say they pay their amount and they will get AICT validated certificate. But right now, I'm considering that they will learn new skills and they will work in our company for 1 year. It is something like an employee upskilling program, and not how it will benefit our organization apart from attrition rate. Like if your course says you have to do classes on every weekends. Let's say the employee dedicates his weekends for the classes they attend it. They find it very much fascinating, and even in our working hours, they start to study the course. Which is the guarantee for that, and they will get very much more dedicated towards the course.
The contract that you will have is with the company, not with the employees. Okay? So we are working with you, not with them. This is the first thing. The second thing is the course will be held on weekends, okay, according to their flexible hours. So it will not disturb or distract them from the company work. Because why are we teaching them? Why are we offering this course? It's to help your company, right? It's to help you with your, it's also to help you with your attrition loss. It's to help you with retention. But it's also to help your company grow, help have more productive employees, right? More skilled employees. That's
They will start learning the course in the working hours. So that's not possible, because first of all, our classes are not recorded. They're live classes. So it's not something that runs 24/7 that they can just switch on and they can learn the course, right? So they will have to wait for the weekends anyhow to study.
That's nice.